A very pleasant good morning to one and all present over here. Our Honorable Principal Sir, Vice Principal Ma'am, dear colleagues and my loving children. Today we gather here at ABPS Rehla to celebrate a momentous occasion, our Investiture Ceremony 2024. This is a day when we come together to recognize and honor leadership, responsibility and commitment among our students. At the outset, I extend a warm welcome to all who have graced this occasion with their presence. Your support and encouragement mean a great deal to us. This ceremony is not just a formal event. It is a celebration of the values that we hold dear at ABPS Rehla. Values of integrity, perseverance and service. Today we entrust our elected leaders with the responsibility of representing their peers and upholding these values in everything they do. To our newly appointed leaders, I extend my heartfelt congratulations. Your journey to this moment has been marked by hard work, dedication, and the trust of your fellow students. As you take on this mantle of leadership, remember that with the great authority comes even greater responsibility. Your action will not only shape your own future, but also leave a lasting impact on the school and everyone around you. To our students, I urge to continue striving for excellence in all your endeavors. Your support and cooperation are invaluable in making our school a beacon of knowledge, character and compassion. Let us with enthusiasm and optimism embark on this ceremony, knowing that together we will continue to uphold the legacy of excellence that ABPS Rehla is known for. Now to start the program, I would invite Ritika and Anushka to continue the program. So now beta, it's over to you.
Leadership is about inspiring others to achieve greatness. It's about empowering, motivating, and guiding with integrity and compassion. A leader's role is not to control people, but to empower them to take control. Leaders don't create followers, they create new leaders. The best leaders are those who lead by example, not by command. Leadership is the spark that ignites the flame of greatness. Leaders don't follow the trend, they set them. A true leader leaves a legacy, not a title. Good morning, one and all present here. I am Anushka Srivastav and I, Ritika Vishwakarma, anchors for today's event, welcome you all to the School Council Investiture Ceremony at ABPS Rehla 2024. We are gathered here to witness the inductions of our newly elected student leaders. Here, our leaders are all set to march towards the stage. Please join us in welcoming them to the stage where they will be felicitated with the badges and sashes followed by the oath-taking ceremony. for them. Today, we mark an important milestone in the journey of our school as we entrust the responsibility of leadership to our talented and dedicated students. The school council plays a vital role in shaping the students' experience, promoting values, and fostering a sense of community. We are proud to see our students take on this challenge and work towards making a positive impact. As we gather here today, we are reminded of the importance of leadership, teamwork, and service. We are confident that our newly elected council members will embody these values and work tirelessly to make our school an even better place. Let us begin this ceremony as we invest our faith and confidence in the newly elected members of our school council and empower them to lead, inspire, and serve our school community. It is our honor to introduce the newly elected leaders of our school who will be felicitated with the badges and sashes symbolizing their new roles and responsibilities. Now I request our Honorable Principal Sir and Vice Principal Ma'am to honor them with the badges and sashes. Now we will be calling one by one with the name to receive the badges and sash. Please come forward to receive. Now, Master Avnish Yadav from Standard 12A is being appointed as the head boy of our school.
very fine morning to all of you present over here. Today, as a matter of fact, head of the institute, I take this privilege to make them fully aware about their duties and responsibilities, and oath taking ceremony is going to be conducted just now. All of you please completely maintain silence please, so that you will understand what they are reading. I need completely perfect discipline. I tell your name.
Amish Yadav,
Anjali Singh, Sarthak Krishna, Akshita Singh, Vatsala Arya, Aditi Suman,
Piyush Chaubey,
Aditya Bharadwaj.
Promise to do my best
promise to do my best
and my duty
and my duty
to my school.
to my school.
I promise to strictly obey
I promise to strictly obey
the rules, and it will be my endeavor to see that all others
all others
who are placed under me
who are placed under me
also do the same.
also do the same.
I am fully aware of my responsibilities
I am fully aware of my responsibilities
of my new office,
of my new office,
and I am fully conscious
and I am fully conscious
of the honor
of the honor
done to me
done to me
and
and
the trust
the trust
placed in me
placed in me
by the school authorities.
by the school authorities.
The task before me
The task before me
is difficult,
is difficult,
but
but
I am hopeful
I am hopeful
that by the grace of God,
that by the grace of God,
I shall be able to fulfill
I shall be able to fulfill
all my duties successfully,
all my duties successfully,
and that at no time
and that at no time
shall I be found guilty
shall I be found guilty
of bringing a bad name of the school.
of bringing a bad name to the school.
May God help me.
May God help me.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am. Please encourage our group and the march back. I would like to request the housemaster of Arun House, Mr. Rameshwar Mishra, sir, along with Mrs. Poonam Chaubey, ma'am, to please come up on the stage and honor them. Master Divyanshu Chaubey from Standard 12B is being appointed as the house captain of Arun House. Please give a round of applause to him.
place that
as a
house captain,
Vice Captain.
sports secretary,
Sports Prefect.
I will respect
I will respect.
and abide
abide
by the rules and regulations
by the rules and regulations
of the school
of the school
in the true spirit
in the true spirit
for the glory
for the glory
and honor
and honor
of my school.
of my school.
Will be a proud,
Will be a proud,
responsible,
responsible,
respected
respected,
and a safe learner.
and safe learner.
I will treat my fellow students with respect and fairness, encouraging them
Encouraging them
to be proud
to be proud
house member
house member
under the
under the
able guidance
guidance
of the house master
of the house master
and the principal.
and the principal.
Please encourage them. Thank you, Radheshwar sir. Thank you, Purama. keep encouraging them. Now I request
Ritik Pandey.
आरुषि शुक्ला ठाकुर आर्या
Rishi Singh.
पलक अप्रोच
solemnly place that as a
House Captain.
कैप्टन कल्चरल सेक्रेटरी
Sports Secretary.
स्पोर्ट्स प्रिपेयर
I will respect
I will respect
and abide
and abide
by the rules and the regulations
by the rules and regulations
of the school
of the school
in the true spirit
with true spirit
for the glory
for the glory
and honor
and honor
of my school.
of my school.
I will be a proud,
I will be proud,
responsible,
responsible,
respected
respected,
and safe learner.
safe learner.
I will treat
I will treat
my fellow students
fellow students
with respect
respect
and fairness,
and fairness,
encouraging them
encouraging them
to be the proud
to be the proud
house member
house member
under the able guidance of the house master and the principal.
Thank you, Arjit sir. Thank you, Rajmol sir. Now I request the housemaster to honor the house captain with the house flag.
I solemnly
Roshan Raturaj. Loudly. What your name one by one?
Rani Shivam. Purnima Gupta.
Aditya Tiwari.
solemnly place that as
House captain.
Vice Captain. Junior Captain.
Culture prefect. Sport secretary.
Sports Prefect.
I will respect and abide by the
Abide by the
rules and regulations
rules and regulations
of the school
of the school.
in the true spirit for the glory and honor of
Honor of
my school.
my school.
I will be proud,
Proud,
responsible,
responsible,
respected,
respected,
and the safe learner.
and the safe learner.
I will
I will
treat my fellow students
my fellow students
with respect
with respect
and
and
fairness and encouraging
encouraging
them to be proud
them to be proud
house member
house member
under the able guidance
under the able guidance
of the house masters
of the house masters
and the principal.
and the principal.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, Indisha, sir. Thank you, Sitapa, ma'am. I request Rajkumar, sir, to join principal, sir, and vice principal now.
solemnly pledge that as a
House Captain,
I will respect
I will respect
and abide by the rule and regulations of the school in the true spirit for the glory and honor of my school. I will be a proud, responsible, respected and safe learner. I will treat my fellow students with respect and fairness, encouraging them to be proud house member under the able guidance of the house master and the principal. Thank you.
Thank you, officer. Thank you, Kavita ma'am. Dynamic leaders marching in all their zeal before they come to the stage. Keep encouraging them. Once again, give a huge round of applause for all our new talented and dedicated leaders.
Very fine morning to all of you. My dear colleagues, dear students and today's newly appointed leaders, those who will lead the school, society and the country from the front row. First of all, I would like to thank all the teachers, those who are associated with this investiture ceremony, and since yesterday they have been working very hard to decorate this school ground, and whatever you can see today, till yesterday night 9:30 some teachers were there. Especially I should mention Mr. UPS Umesh Prasad Singh, Mr. Abhishek, Mr. Sandeep Sajan was also there, and in the morning also you people have taken pain to conduct this ceremony very nicely. I must thank Almighty God also, who is very kind enough to conduct this special, not only assembly, this special occasion and the function. I must thank all these anchors and my dear students, along with Miss Maya and our Mr. Dilip. I told every time new teachers should be given chance to conduct new events, and today Mr. Dilip and Maya, they have done extremely good job with the very good team over here, I mean our students. Other thing which I would like to tell you, house masters and house mistresses, all other teachers, those who are associated with all the 4 houses, they have done extremely good job for selecting all these talented and future leaders, and they are totally unbiased and totally they have done justice for selecting the best law. So thank you very much all the house masters, house mistresses and all other teachers, those who are associated with the house. Next point which I would like to tell you, our leaders, those who are standing on the stage, they are not mamuli students. They are not ordinary students. They are the best, among the best, you all. And that's why today they are on the stage in front of you, those who will be playing a vital role for the school. Those who are captain, they will be acting as headmaster or principal of the school. Those who are vice captain or head girl, they will be acting as vice principal madam or deputy headmaster of the school. And all other associated leaders, those who have been chosen from all 4 houses, they will be acting as teachers. Now, the responsibility, fully responsibility, lie on you. Boys and girls, today onwards, you are going to bear this flag, not only that, holding the office and chairs and act accordingly. What we are expecting as head girl, you should behave like our vice principal madam. And head boy, you should not only look like, you should act like headmaster or principal of the school. And all other leaders, they are just like teachers. And near about 1400 students, they will be watching you every moment. Your walking, your talking, your turn up, everything. So you all should be fully responsible to discharge your duties which you have taken place to do the justice with the school. Today onwards, I am requesting all these leaders, those who are on the stage, only few things you have to ensure, and you have to guide your young children, in the sense your brothers and sisters. What? Always communicate in English, then only we will be able to improve our communication skill. Number two, which is very important, to be disciplined, and for that you need to be disciplined first, because charity begins at home. So I would be expecting from you all to be disciplined and expect something from your juniors. But until or unless you become disciplined, you simply cannot expect the same from your juniors. Remember this thing, respect cannot be snatched, it should be earned. How? By your act, by your action, and by your, you can say, talk and behavior. That is very important for you all to showcase our school, to showcase our teachers, because you are going to act on behalf of entire staff. I'll not be taking too much time, but the way you people were standing over there more than 1 hour under this drastic condition and weather, I must appreciate, I must tell each one of you, please give a huge round of applause for all the students, those who are on the stage, and they have shown their patience, tolerance. At the same time, they were standing since morning under the sun. Yes, I will be giving you credit, all the students of 4 houses, those who are standing. Boys and girls, if you are feeling uneasy, immediately sit down, don't wait for other to hold you. Out of your best love. Whatever they did, they have done extremely good job, but you have encouraged all these students. Since morning you are standing, so you need to also be glad for yourself, and our appreciation also goes to you all the spectators. I must thank all the support staff also. You must have seen the ground, the way it is being done. It was not there yesterday. They were there since you can say 2:30, means after dispersal 2:30 to 5 o'clock, they have done all these things. That's why you can see the ground in proper level. So my sincere thanks to our support staff, as well as all the security marshal. And you see, at times they were providing water, they were just helping students to make them stand, and credit goes to, and they should also need our appreciation. Please give them a huge round of applause for their active involvement, and all the drivers and conductors and support staff, office staff, everybody, they have done tremendous job to bring this event very successful. I'll be failing my duty if I don't acknowledge behind each and every success there is our Vice Principal Madam. Always she stands like pillar. How to conduct, how to go ahead, and she has been guiding, and she was telling me, Madam was telling me yesterday also and today also, sir, don't take tension, things will be done. I always get
motivated from Madam. Every time Madam says, sir, don't be, panic. Things will be done and they will be taken care of. And credit goes to Madam also. And Sandeep, another character. Sandeep. Do you know Mr. Sandeep? He is standing over there. Last few days he is too busy to work on ERP system. Nowadays I am telling you, after few days you can see each and every data from the ERP. Your attendance, your classwork, your homework, your circular, everything, for which our IT team under the leadership of Mr. Sandeep, Mr. Raj and our Manish Babu also, all have done great job. And Sandeep used to tell me, sir, you relax and today don't come out from the office and we will get the things ready. Then only I will call you, and after that I can see there is absolutely, you can say no gray point, absolutely as per requirement. So please give a huge round of applause for our Sandeep also, because he has been a great help being IT teacher for our teachers also, for us also, for office people also, and for everybody. So once again, my sincere thanks to everyone. UPS, well done. Abhishek, well done. And Dilip, well done. Sajan, well done. But I'll be failing my duty until or unless I recognize our school photographer. I said, Mr. Soni, Arvinder Soni, always. He has saved a lot of money of the school. Otherwise, we had to call a photographer from outside. And he is doing great job. And when last year I joined, he said, sir, I need one beautiful camera. I said, what do you mean by beautiful? Ladies look like beautiful. Camera cannot be looking like beautiful. I said, what type of camera do you need? Top, I need one good quality of camera. And immediately I said, you please go ahead. And near about 85,000 rupees I have invested on this camera. Though he is not carrying today because of this weather condition, he is trying to manage with all those things with this one camera he has brought. And at times he is doing with mobile also. So credit goes to all of you. You people have done great job. Thank you very much. And we will be meeting you in the assembly in the coming days, and slowly, gradually, when weather will be changing, we will be conducting morning assembly very soon. And at the same time, we'll be preparing for 15th August celebration after completing your exam too. Thank you very much. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Respected principal sir, teachers, and my dear students. Okay, I have been given the responsibility of a vote of thanks, but sir has already mentioned each and every one. So I don't repeat those things, but behind the success of all the program, we know the mastermind is our principal. So on behalf of all the students and staff, we would like to express our heartfelt gratitude to sir. Give a huge round of applause for sir. Once again, thanks to each and every person who is associated with today's program. Thank you very much for all your efforts and making this program a grand success. Thank you everyone.
School! Attention! Stand it is. Attention! 1, 2, 3, start. भारत माता की, भारत माता की, वंदे वंदे वंदे। थैंक यू।
Thank you.